EngView's computer-aided machining or CAM module creates optimized files that can be sent directly to the cutting table, streamlining the workflow. The CAM module finds the most efficient toolpath to speed up the cutting and automatically matches each operation, like cutting or creasing, to the right tool. The Set Cutting Direction feature lets us choose how the tool moves around specific shapes, helpful for avoiding issues like material wrinkling. Now that everything's configured, we generate the toolpath for the machine. Before sending it to the cutter, we can preview the full cutting sequence using animation. This helps us confirm that everything is accurate and flows correctly. Next, we generate the numeric code, or NC file, that the machine will use to run the job. Here's what a standard NC file looks like for this machine. We can create a CAM file for just one box, or a full nested layout. To ensure perfect alignment, we'll use registration marks to sync the plotter's coordinate system with the design. We will set the cutting direction again here. Thanks to the Repeat Changes feature, any edits that we make are applied to all parts of the layout. Now we generate the complete toolpath. And again, we can visually check the optimized path using the animation. Notice how the camera first aligns the plotter with the drawing using the registration marks, syncing both the coordinate systems. Finally, we generate the NC file and send it to the machine for cutting.